Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about creating workspace environment in Angular. What is a workspace? A workspace contains the files for one or more projects. Workspace contains files for the one or more projects. That means the files inside a workspace are common to all projects. All projects can use those files. If we want to create a multiple projects in workspace, we should skip initial application generation while we create the workspace. When we are going to create a workspace, the new application automatically generated. So we have to skip the initial application generation while we create workspace and give the unique name for workspace. Here is the command ng references for Angular, and the command is new. This will create a workspace. This is the name of the workspace, my workspace, and double hyphen create application false. That means the initial application generation will not be happened because of I given false. So let's run this command in my PC. We'll see what happened after this command run. This is my path. I'm going to create a workspace, cmd. Here I will give the command ng new my workspace. Uh, to stop the application generation, there is a option create application files. So the initial application generation will stop. Only workspace will be created. When I run this command, it will ask a question. Do you want to enforce stricter type checking and stricter bundle budget in the workspace? This setting helps improve maintainability and catch bugs ahead of time. So I will take yes because it improves and maintainability and catch bugs at ahead of time. So I will take yes. Here it will create the files. These files are the common to all projects in this workspace. AngularJSON is a common, package.json, readme.md, tsconfig.json, tslint.json, editor.config, and gitignore. These files are common to all projects inside workspace. The required packages, whatever the packages are required to these files, those packages will be installed. The process is going installing the packages. Okay, it takes time. Now it installs packages successfully. There is a warnings related to line feeding. LF will be replaced by CRLF in editor.config. These are the Git related warnings. Successfully initialized Git. So now we'll see the files and packages in Workspace by opening the Workspace in Visual Studio Code. To open this Workspace in Visual Studio Code, I just move to the My Workspace. Here I will run code.1. It will open the Workspace in Visual Studio Code. Here are the files and node, node modules. Node modules. The installed packages are available in these node modules. Now we'll see the. I will reopen this one. See here. Okay, okay. I will open angular.json. See this angular.json. Simple, very simple file. Schema schema key represents node modules. Under node modules, Angular package CLI lib config schema.json version 1 new project root projects. This folder not created yet. So sorry. Now package.json. This is the there is a name with a value my workspace. It takes the my workspace name, version, scripts. These are the commands. These are the commands to run with npm, and then dependencies. These are the packages required to the workspace. These are the packages required to develop the application. Dev dependencies. These are not required to run the application at the time of production. These are the dev dependency means, and at the time of development these files are required. These are the packages required at application running on production. That means on production these files are required. Sorry. That's it. The workspace is created with these files, and these files having the configuration very simple, nothing much. See tsconfig.json compiler options. These are the compiler and tsconfig compiler options. Base URL is dot out directory out ts. The files the files compiled files will move to this directory, and target is es ECMAScript 2015 module ECMAScript 2020 lib ECMAScript 2018 DOM. Angular compiler options is tslint, and this is simple. Okay, in next session we are going to see how to create a project. When we create a new project, the how the Angular and the package.json files will be updated. We'll see in next session. Okay, okay, bye. We'll meet in next session.